Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is 18G482B. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with general grabber tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side. You do have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch on the back. We're going to take a look at the bed now. You do have a spray-in bed liner as well as all-weather floor mats kept back here. And then the hard cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes your CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.